That is expensive. For 0.5 fluid ounces eye cream, $70. Excuse me, Dr. Murad, why are you so bougie? Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Elaina. Привет, I'm a Russian-American makeup and beauty addict. I love buying and reviewing inexpensive, affordable makeup from AliExpress, Amazon, drugstore. I'll test it on myself and I'll pass the savings to you guys. So this is one of my monthly Boxycharm reviews. So I got a few products that I liked and a few products that just blah, as usual. So if you guys are interested to see what I got, and we'll do the unboxing, I'll show you what I did with my eyes. Then keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe and ring notification bell. I upload every Monday, Wednesday and Friday at 11 AM Pacific time. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it and leave me a comment. Let's get right into this. So I got this box a few days ago and I've been using some of the items. I just wanted to test some of the skincare to see how I like it so I can speak about it. So most of this I already tried except for one item that I still haven't tried because I'm a dirty pig and I haven't washed my hair in days. I don't wash my hair that often, so the hair mask I received, it'll have to wait. But here it is. I got this box. Here's all the items. I put them back as if we're unboxing just now. Well, I'll insert a video of me applying this so you'll see what happened. So let's start with the good stuff. So first of all, I'm not a balm user, but I got this makeup melt away cleansing balm. It looks like this. So this is a brand I've never heard of, as mostly with the Boxycharm items, it's like unknown brands or maybe indie brands. So this is called Pharmacy. Actually, I think I heard of Pharmacy with the F. So it says limited edition, exclusively for Boxycharm. So it's very cherry clean. So it does smell like cherries. It smells very good. If you don't like cherries, you probably won't like it, but it looks like this inside. It's very, very fresh. It's very light in texture. It smells amazing. I can just sniff it all day long. I'm a weirdo like that. But it says a pink cherry scented version of our best-selling Green Clean cleansing balm. If you infused with vitamin C rich acerola cherry. How to use: gently massage into dry skin. For eye makeup removal, apply to closed eyes, rinse with warm water or wipe off with a damp washcloth. Well, first of all, I'm a big user of makeup wipes and just simple with some micellar water. Micellar water removes everything. So this is my first try and first use of balm. I like it. I was actually pleasantly surprised how well it removes makeup. I was thinking, what can it do? So I applied it like this, and then I used a little bit of a makeup towelette to remove my eye makeup, because I noticed like when I apply this to your eyes, it doesn't really move like everything, you know, close to your eyeballs. Like mascara and some eyeliner in the waterline, so you have to go over. But the face makeup, it removes easily, and I don't know what kind of magic it is, what kind of sorcery is this, but this thing works and I love it. The smell is amazing, everything about it. So the cost of this, well, first of all, the total cost of all items in this box is $166, which isn't bad because the cost of each box is like what, 25? So this is a $34 item. Just this alone is over the cost of the box. So I love this one. The only thing is with Boxycharm lately, they don't give you any cards. You know, the little cards that say what's in the box and what it costs. They're gone. If they're trying to save the trees, why not just leave me an email? Last month I got an email from them. In the email it said what's in the box, but I got multiple emails to see what's in every other box. I'm like, well darn, I got the worst box. So this month I got nothing. Maybe they heard me and they're like, Well, this bee is not getting anything this month. Well, you think I'm not nosy? I am nosy. So I see everything that's in there and I'm not happy about it. Well, no, I'm just joking. Actually, most of it is real nice. So the next item is that I did not try. It's hair gurt, like yogurt. It's by Project Beauty. It's in flavor, scent, almond honey. It's not a flavor. Don't eat it, please. Although it does smell nice. It says with prebiotics, quinoa, super botanicals for beautiful hair. So I have not tried it because I don't wash my hair very often. It's very dry and it's colored. So I try to wash it once a week, maybe once every 4 or 5 days, if I feel generous. But most of the time I'll just use dry shampoo in the last like couple of days. So I'll just try it in a couple of days probably. It says cleanse and condition hair with their line, of course, and then apply a mask for 5-10 minutes. Well, it's supposed to be all natural, with yogurt powder, probiotics, quinoa, and all that stuff. So some people say on Boxycharm website that they liked it, and some people with greasy hair, oily hair, greasy hair, oily hair, they say that it's not for them. So I have dry hair, so most likely I'll like it. It smells nice. If you like almond honey, some people say they don't like smell because they're not into almond honey. It looks very thick and creamy. Yeah, it smells very nice. I actually like the scent. So this mask is, actually, this is not a very expensive item. This is, let me scroll, where is this stuff? This is $10, so it's not bad because it has 4 ounces. It's pretty large. For $10, it's not a bad deal as is. So next one, I was very excited about it, and that brings me to the old days of my beauty school. When I went to the beauty school to study hairdressing, that was in Hollywood, Florida, and that was 2006. I studied hair, and our skincare person, the teacher, there was like a separate teachers for hair, one for makeup. No, the hair person taught makeup. I don't know, but we had separate esthetician for skincare, and she loved Murad. Dr. Murad, everything. So she kind of made us buy, not made us, but made us want to buy it. So I bought Dr. Murad glycolic acid. And remember at the time, I think maybe my skin was a little younger skin and it probably didn't need it something, but I remember being very irritated by that. I think it was very high concentration, but I remember it was good stuff. So this is a moisturizer for the eyes. I think it's very simple though. There's nothing like glycolic or anything. It says Hydrodynamic Ultimate Moisture for Eyes. But still, knowing Murad brand, I'm very excited about this. It says AM in PM, so it's pretty much the moisturizer. Very simple, straightforward. It has hyaluronic acid and has algae extract to seal moisture. I'm not sure what algae extract does. It's probably something good. It's a very simple cream. I've been using it. I like it. Moisturize as well. It's great under makeup. It doesn't ball up in little balls like some of the creams do. So this is nice. The packaging is cute. There's no scent to it. Just simple white inside. So this is a big winner for me. It's a good basic moisturizer for morning, so I would say. So the next item is kind of a little controversial for me because of the color story, and I've seen some people trying to get rid of it already. I'm being shady. Anyway, so I'm being sneaky, and I went to Boxycharm and I started to scroll. Let me see what other palettes are there. And there's some real nice palettes there. There's one palette that says Hello Charmer, and I think it's a Boxycharm brand. And it looks kind of simple but still pretty. It has more colors in it, so I think I would have rather gotten that. And also there is another palette. Let me find it. That palette was nice too. So I kind of wish I got that, but you can't really get what you want. It's a random There's Tarte Pro Remix Amazonian Clay Palette. And this one looks really pretty. It has like a lot of different shades and colors. So I wish I kind of got that one. But what I did get was Hank and Henry Living in Color palette. And this palette is $27. That's the retail price. Oh yeah, Dr. Murad retails for $70. Holy cow. Oh my god, I got distracted. That is expensive. For 0.5 fluid ounces eye cream, $70. Excuse me, Dr. Murad, why are you so bougie? There's nothing special in there but hyaluronic acid. No. If I was shopping myself, I would never buy that. I would just go for Makeup Revolution, hyaluronic acid. Same SHIT. Anyway, I got distracted by that price. This palette retails for $27, which is not bad, but considering how many shades you get, it's only 9 shades. So the box looks pretty. I kind of like this concept, living in color. It's really pretty, it's cute. I like it. I like Hank and Henry eyeliner I got in the previous box. I didn't like the mascara. Mascara was just blowout. But the eyeliner, I loved it. And the package looks like this. I think it's very excessive. It's very thick. It's a big box. It looks cute. It has the names in the back. The names are Sultry Sin Fuchsia. Whatever. Oh, Fuchsia. Well, they spelled it as a Foosha. I'm reading Fuchsia. I'm down. Okay, next one is Petticock. Is this dirty? No, I think they're trying to say peacock. Dragon Blood. What? The weird names, I'm telling you. Rosalinda Boy's Toy. Okay. Arastiche La Canela. Mariana French. Kind of interesting, weird names, but I kind of living for them. But it has a mirror, which is not bad. I didn't remove protective layer. But here it is. Moment of that you were waiting for. I don't know. It's just like real boring to me. There is nothing that exciting. There is no light shades. Because if you have light skin tone, there is no transitional shades, right? And there is no highlighter shade. So I used Ofra highlighter on my brow bone. Let me zoom in so you can see. And I used this, all of these shades except for 1, 2, and 3. Those I didn't use, but the rest of them I used myself. I mean, don't get me wrong, they're nice. They're real nice. They blend well, they're buttery, but it just kind of, very flat for me. It's boring. It's probably better for deep skin tone because they could really blend this and use this as a highlighter possibly. But for me, I used something else. This I blended out into brow bone carefully, so it worked, but I would pass. I would not even bother. The price isn't bad. Well, I'll show you a couple shades probably. 1, 2, the ones I didn't use on my eyes. I mean, they swatch nicely. The shimmers are real nice. But it's like I've seen these colors and together they don't look that interesting. So that's 3 shimmers I did not use on myself. So let me run a little clip. It's just like 40 seconds, so you'll see how I applied it. And I'm going to comment as we go. So here I'm applying the eyeshadow dark tones and orange into my crease and the outer corner. And then I cut my crease with P. Louise base. And I put some shimmer, the blue, and the green. So I wanted to put as many colors as possible. And I blend with a darker brown shade in the outer corner because I wanted to deepen it. And the lower lash line I put the blue and the shimmer mixed together, the light blue shimmer and the green, might as well. And so that's the end result. Yeah, it's kind of like, I can live without it, so like I wouldn't buy it of course, but it's just average. But the last item I did use on myself today, to my lips. Oh yeah, if you wonder what's on my eyes, because they look a little different now, it's because of Barry M. Barry M saved the day, and I used these toppers that I got on my trip to Dublin. I got them in the Superdrug, and this are in the color Asteroid, and on top I put a little supernova, the green. So that's what came out. So this is real pretty. So with a shimmer it kind of looks nicer. Without it, it was really boring. So this is a lip gloss. Let me see the price for this. The lip gloss was, let's see, oh there it is. Vintage by Jessica Lipskind. Sparkling lip gloss, pink SE. Let's see, does it say anything in the box? No, it does not. So it's just a very basic pink lip gloss. I have lip liner and I put that over. So I say this is $25, people. $25 for this. Is it special? No. I'm feeling very shady today as usual. It's not intentional, it's just my nature. Anyway, I mean, this is a nice lip gloss, but it's not a $25 lip gloss. I'm sorry, it's not. Let's focus on this for a second. Let's give a moment of silence for this brush. Can you see this? Why is this looking like this? I'm just having a silly mood right now. And I think it's because of Jenny. Jenny, you really wanted me to be shady, and I'm kind of delivering now. See that? It's glossy. I mean, it feels nice. It's not very sticky, so I have no complaints. But I have a lip gloss that's my favorite, and it costs like $5-6. And this is a lip gloss by Makeup Revolution. Let me zoom out. That's too close to my face. Okay, so my favorite is Makeup Revolution Pout Balm, something like that. It's the one with the minty feeling. That one is amazing. It's light, it's beautiful, buttery, and that one gives you a little color. And this one, it kind of looks pink, but it's more like a clear pink. It's a lip gloss that I wouldn't say costs $25, so I wouldn't be interested buying it myself. But of course, you can't complain. That's a point about these boxes. You get something as a surprise. So for me, the standout is a Dr. Murad, the eye cream, and the Very Cherry Clean balm. This is like my favorite stuff. It's so good. And the hydrating cream is great. But $70, come on people, like really, why are you being so greedy? So anyway, so these are my favorite items. This I still have to try. I have a feeling I'll probably like it because it's gonna be good for my dry hair. Palette, I'll pass. If you guys are interested, you now know what I think about. And the lip gloss is just very average. And the brush, I think, just took its last breath for some reason and decided to split. I'm just being silly. So anyway, this is the end of my video, my review. If you guys are interested in the Boxycharm subscription box, you know where to go, boxycharm.com. It's $25 a month. I still like it. The last two boxes I get, they're like a little bit underwhelming, but I got some really good boxes in the past, so I think I'm still gonna keep it. And if I get bored, I can always switch to something else. So leave me a comment, let me know what you got in your box. Did you like it? What's your favorite item? So you know what my favorite is. I'd probably this, the cleansing balm. It's so good. Cherries. Anyway, leave me a comment, subscribe to my channel, upload every Monday, Wednesday and Friday at 11 AM Pacific time. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching guys, love you, bye!